Welcome all of you. So this is the fourth video of chi-square. Here you can see illustration 4. So find the value of chi-square for the following information. So here the information is given. So class, here you can see class A, B, C, D and E. Then the observed frequencies and the expected frequencies is given. In the previous problem, the expected frequencies is not given. Only in the previous problem means the problem related to the die. Okay. So here in that case, number turned up and the uh, frequency is given. So here the class given A, B, C, D, E, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 classes are there. Then related to that class, observed frequencies given 8, 29, 44, 15 and 4, and the theoretical frequency or the expected frequency is also given. So that is equal to 7, 24, 38, 24 and 7. So here some of the frequencies is actually less than 10. So here you can see the observed frequency of A is 8 and the theoretical frequency of A is 7. It is less than 10. Similarly, the last frequency, that is the observed frequency of E is 4 and the theoretical frequency of E is 7. So, here you can see some of the frequencies less than 10. So we shall first regroup the given data and then we'll work out the value for chi-square. Okay, so you have to add this 8 plus 29. Okay, similarly you have to add this 7 plus 24 for the expected frequency. Similarly here also for the observed frequency you have to add this 15 plus 4 and you have to add the 24 plus 7 for the theoretical or expected frequency. Okay, then find the value of chi-square. Okay, so I will take the board. Okay, so I will draw the table. First I will draw the table. So here there is nothing to find out, only you have to find the value of chi-square. That's it. So I will table here class. Okay, then the observed frequency, that is OI, then the expected frequency, that is EI, then the next column, that is OI minus EI, and the next column OI minus EI, OI minus EI, the whole square. Then the next column OI minus EI, the whole square, divided by EI. Okay. So here I already told the sum of the frequencies actually less than 10. So you have to first regroup it. So first I will regroup class A and B. So I will regroup A and B. So this is the class. C, there is no change. Okay. Then I will regroup D and E. Okay. So what is the observed frequency? So for A and B, the observed frequency is 8 and 29. So you have to add this 8 and 29. 8 plus 29. 8 plus 29, that is equal to 37. So that is the first observed frequency. Then C, there is no change. That is, I will write here 44. There is no change. Then D and E, that is 15 and 4. So you have to add this 15 plus 4. You have to add this 15 plus 4, that is equal to 90. Okay. Then the expected frequency, that is 7 and 24. You have to add this 7 plus 24. You have to add this 7 plus 24. So you will get 31. You will get 31. Then C, there is no change. That is 38, no change. Then last D and E. So that is 24 and 7 again. So you have to add this 24 plus 7. Okay. So that is equal to 31. That is equal to 31. Okay. Then you have to find OI minus EI. that is 31 minus 31, that is equal to 6. Then 44 minus 38, that is again 6. Then 19 minus 31, that is minus 12. Then you have to find the square. So here that is 36. 6 square 36. Here also 6 square 36. And here this is 144. Then OI minus EI, the whole square by EI, that is 36 by. So this is 36 divided by what is EI? EI is 31. Then here this is 36 divided by 38. Then this is 144. Sorry. $144 divided by 30. Sorry, not yeah, 144 divided by 31. So here the expected frequency is 31. Okay. So you have to find the summation. Then what is the what is the value of chi-square? So chi-square is equal to sigma, that is OI minus EI, OI minus EI the whole square divided by EI. OI minus EI the whole square divided by EI. So that is equal to 6.76. You will get this value. Okay. So in this way, you can calculate the chi-square value. So here the question is only you have to find the value of chi-square. That's it. I hope it's clear. Thank you.